The exploration of Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has been a subject of human curiosity for centuries. It wasn't until the 20th century, however, that technological advancements allowed for more in-depth and systematic investigation of the red planet. In this video, we will delve into the history of Mars exploration and examine some of the most important missions, discoveries, and interesting facts. The earliest attempts to explore Mars were made in the 1960s, when both the Soviet Union and the United States launched a series of flyby and orbiter missions. The Soviet Union's Mars 1 probe was the first spacecraft to fly by Mars in 1962, but it failed to return any useful data. The first successful Mars mission was NASA's Mariner 4, which flew by Mars in 1965 and sent back the first close-up images of the planet. These images showed a barren, heavily cratered surface and helped to dispel earlier notions that Mars might be home to an intelligent civilization. In the 1970s, both the Soviet Union and the United States continued to explore Mars with a series of successful orbiter and lander missions. NASA's Viking 1 and Viking 2 missions, launched in 1975, were the first to successfully land on the Martian surface and return data. These missions confirmed the presence of a thin atmosphere and a lack of evidence for liquid water, but they also detected signs of possible organic compounds. After a hiatus of several decades, Mars exploration was revitalized in the late 1990s and early 2000s. In 1996, NASA's Mars Pathfinder mission became the first successful Mars lander in over 20 years, and it paved the way for future missions. The Mars Global Surveyor, Mars Odyssey, and Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter missions, all launched between 1996 and 2005, have greatly expanded our understanding of the Martian climate, geology, and potential habitability. More recently, the Mars Exploration Rover (MER) mission, consisting of the Spirit and Opportunity rovers, has provided important new insights into the Martian surface and its geological history. The rovers have discovered evidence of past water activity on Mars, including mineral deposits that suggest the presence of liquid water, and have also found signs of a more diverse range of rocks and minerals than previously thought. The Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution (MAVEN) mission, launched in 2013, has helped us to understand the history of Mars's atmosphere and climate, and the role that the loss of volatile compounds, such as water and carbon dioxide, has played in shaping the planet's surface and environment. In recent years, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter (MRO) has continued to provide valuable information about Mars, including the discovery of numerous potential landing sites for future missions and evidence of recent liquid water flows on the Martian surface. The MRO has also provided important data for the InSight lander mission, which arrived on Mars in 2018 and has been studying the planet's deep interior to better understand its geology and evolution. In conclusion, the history of Mars exploration is a story of remarkable technological advancements, perseverance, and scientific discovery. From the earliest flybys and landings to the most recent orbiter and lander missions, our understanding of Mars has grown dramatically, and there is still much more to be learned about this fascinating planet.